Ever wonder why some people make money online while others just struggle? It's not luck. It's the email list. You can do this too. Hi, I'm Elon Kane. Today, we're making email marketing super simple. By the end, you'll know how to start your list, keep it engaged, and turn it into real money. It's easier than you think. Think of your list like a VIP club. These are people who already want what you're offering. Unlike social media, you control the message. No waiting for algorithms. Your chance to shine is here. If you have a list, you have a ready audience. That's power. Your offers reach them directly. Any business, any niche. Start with simple tools. MailerLite free plan. ConvertKit free plan. GetResponse free trial. Easy steps, big results. Offer something people want. A free guide, a tip sheet, a discount. This is your lead magnet. Small effort, huge payoff. Every sign-up is progress. One email at a time adds up. Consistency beats fancy setups. Send helpful, friendly emails, and trust grows. Keep going, you're building something great. Your list isn't just names. It's a money-making machine. Power in your hands. Share tips, stories, offers. Not every email sells. Remember, 90% helpful content, 10% sales. Patience pays off. Segment your list if you can. Send the right message to the right person. Smart moves, big wins. People buy from people they trust. Email builds that trust. Every time you show up, you can be that guide. Some tools to help you grow. LeadPages free trial. Canva free plan for landing pages. MailerLite, ConvertKit, GetResponse free versions. ChatGPT or Canva AI to write emails. Tools make it easier. Use them wisely. Make sign-up simple. One click, one email, done. Email lists are gold. Direct access to people who want to buy. Start small, give value, stay consistent. Turn your list into trust. Turn trust into sales. You can do this every day. Open your email tool. Create a free lead magnet. Start building your VIP list today. Check the description for all the helpful tools I mentioned. They'll make this process much easier. Take action now. You'll see your audience grow and trust turn into sales. Success is just ahead. I'm Elon Kane. That's how you email like a pro. If you like learning step by step, check out YouTubers like Pat Flynn and Abdaal. They break things down just like this. Keep learning, keep growing. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Keep moving forward, make your adjustments, and the results will follow. I'm Elon Kane, reminding you to stay the course.